Welcome to this video on the Link Tile widget in WebFOCUS Designer. The Link Tile widget provides additional innovative ways of using your content and incorporating it into your designer page. You can access the Link Tile widget from the Container tab of the sidebar. The Link Tile widget arranges content in such a way that one content item becomes a click-through tile that opens another content item. This feature is especially useful when you need to incorporate a large or insight-enabled item into a page and display it on all devices. To use the Link Tile widget, simply drag it onto the canvas. The widget displays as an empty placeholder. In the Properties panel, select an image or a content item that you want users to see when the page loads. Keep in mind that any interactive features in the content, tooltips for example, are disabled when it displays in the Link Tile background. The Link Tile background and target content can both accept filter selections from the page. If you use a parameterized chart or report as the Link Tile background, you are prompted to create filter controls for it. Select the target item that you will access by clicking the link tile, and then determine how the target item will display, in the viewer or in the new window. If the target of the link tile is a parameterized chart, report, or page, the filter selections that you make in the page containing the link tile can be passed to any shared parameters in the target if you select Attach All Parameters. For example, since the target page that we are selecting has the same filters as the parent page, they will be set to the same values on loading. Run the page and check the behavior. See how by clicking on the background image or item, you run the target item. To learn more, visit the WebFOCUS knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.